Good morning.
Where are we, Madeline? Yeah,
We're at the
I think we're going to see animals, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna see animals, okay?
Let's go on a ride first.
All right.
This park. If you haven't noticed from the other times we've been here, I probably say it every time, but Animal Kingdom, the Tree of Life, man. Yeah, we're off to Pandora again. I don't think did we ever go the other way first?
Yeah.
We have?
We've got fast passes over here.
Yeah, the 60-day window for fast passes was
Lunch.
always had a fast pass, right?
What? I think we've only ever done the fast pass queue for this ride.
Yeah, I think so too. Either that or like we bypassed it because there was like no lineup.
Yeah.
Safari, but it also unfortunately means we're saying goodbye.
Yeah, it's the last time.
Yeah, we just did Flight of Passage for the last time.
Yeah.
Oh,
We had a fast pass tonight.
yeah, I'm very sad right
We're
now.
done with Pandora.
It was great though. I got to ride with a bunch of noobs.
Yep. Like I said before, like that is probably my favorite part of it, that ride, is when people haven't been on it before.
Yeah, it's really cool to have people experience it for the first time. And
Yeah, exactly.
I think when you sit in that, and, you know, you kind of get freaked out in the pre-show.
Yeah.
But then you get there and you strap in and it kind of locks you in tight. You're not going anywhere. It's super safe.
Yeah.
And then you start to feel the seat vibrate in your chest.
Yeah.
And all the new people are like, ooh,
What is that?
what is that? That's so cool, right? And then they're like, is there a screen?
Yeah.
Will something happen here?
Yeah. And then it opens up.
Disney magic, right? Flashes light in your eyes. No spoilers intended, but, you know, kind of gets you going. And then you're, you know, right into it. And that's the coolest feeling ever. It really is. Best ride at Disney still. So we're gonna head back to our last safari. Like Heather said, we're gonna try and get some pictures. We've recorded them once or twice already. It seems busy here today.
It's only in areas of the park that we're going to. Like,
Oh, you checked the map?
I checked the map, and I checked the wait times. This was 20 minutes ago, just a little while ago. It's 20 minutes now. And Avatar was busy, but everything else was 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So it just seems like we're walking the same path as everybody else.
That is the Animal Kingdom path, right? That is how it goes.
Yeah, always Pandora, then Safari, which you don't want to do in the middle of the day, and then
Yeah,
you
I
do
want to see the Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail. We're definitely doing that when we get out. And Heather found a parking space for the stroller. So if you're doing the Kilimanjaro Safaris, it's kind of to the right of the entrance, just underneath the Rafiki's Planet Watch.
Yeah.
You ready for this, Mama? Madeline, you gonna go see some animals?
Ready to see some animals?
Expedition Everest. I think I need a breath of fresh air, so this will work out really well. It is cooking here again in Animal Kingdom. It's 11:55, so I'm going to do Expedition Everest, and Heather will do Expedition Everest, and then we're going to go to Flame Tree Barbecue and use a table service and get free snacks. So we're going to get some fries, and maybe some more fries, drink, something along those lines. So we've only got one more meal left, and that's tonight at Sanaa. So yeah, we got one table credit to use up. So this will do great. Almost done the meal plan.
It's only water, it's either sink or swim. Can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn. Be who you are. Nobody can take that away from you. Oh, straight from the heart, no playing games.
Oh man, that was fun. I'm roasted though. So 12:06, we're making good time. Heather's going to ride right now, and then when she's done, we're going to head over to Flame Tree Barbecue. I don't think we have a reservation, but like I said, we're gonna use some of those snack credits and get some fries. After that, we're gonna try and do Rafiki's Planet Watch if we can get in there, and then I'd say we're gonna say goodbye to Animal Kingdom for the last time on this trip. Off to Epcot after that, but we'll see how it goes. So for now, we'll let Heather ride, and I'm sure she'll enjoy Everest again. How was it?
Amazing.
I'll sneak a vlog in mid-bite. So maybe a little bit. What?
By far the best snack in Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, and we're where now? We're at Flame Tree Barbecue, it's called, right?
Yep.
And those were the
Loaded fries.
yeah. So basically fries with pulled pork, cheese,
Cheese, and it's got a
bit of a tangy barbecue sauce on
yeah,
it.
it's got the Flame Tree barbecue sauce drizzled on top, and like these little like green onion pieces.
Yeah.
So good.
It was, right?
I love it.
So unfortunately, we're gonna have to say goodbye to Animal Kingdom.
Sad.
We're gonna pop by Epcot for a minute.
Yeah, we're gonna go and try to get our coaster set.
Yeah, check out maybe check out a lounge while we're there.
Yeah, we're gonna go check out the BBC lounge, I think.
Yeah, just see what it looks like.
Yep, and that'll be it for Disney.
Oh, can you cry on command? Do you just want to like start bawling?
No,
No, cause what's next?
because we have Sanaa tonight.
That's
so
right.
We're gonna have that, and then we're gonna Universal.
Yeah, we're really excited to quickly film some B-roll here.
Yep. Go film some B-roll and birds over there, right?
And then we out.
Then we out.
All
And
right.
then we'll go to Epcot. See you there.
Bye. It's gonna be a hot one if it's a hot one at Animal Kingdom. Bye, Tree.
Bye, Tree. We'll see you next time.
See you, buddy.
Last time in Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, it's kind of brutal, right?
Yeah. Do love this park. Love this ride. So at least we got to ride our favorites before we left. And now it's time for Epcot.
Yeah. So it may not be 4 parks in one day.
No, we'll do 2.
We'll get to 2. Yeah, so something else cool we did, made a little donation there for the Disney Conservation Fund. I'm sure it'll go to good use. We certainly enjoyed the safaris, everything Animal Kingdom had to offer, all the education. We can't wait till Madeline can take some more of it in, but right now she absolutely loves the animals, and we do too, you know. So thank you, I guess, to Disney again for a wonderful vacation. And yeah. Be a conservation hero. Make a donation. There you go. Animal Kingdom. We missed you already. Oh, I can't wait to see what the temperature in the car is.
It is hot. Very, very hot.
Yeah, like I've got the shutter speed like through the roof here now just to make you visible.
Yeah.
And it is hot.
It is hot. It's 1:15.
You need to be out of the park in August.
Yeah. It's September too, right? So it's still September.
How did September get here? When did that happen?
It's September 9th.
Wow. Vacation.
So
Vacay mode. Dinosaur 34?
yeah.
What's Dinosaur 34? Oh, that's right. When you're parking at Disney,
Remember where you're parked.
text your partner, your other, yourself if you can do that. Take a picture of it. Each parking lot has like a different character, villain, hero. whatever. So we're in Dinosaur. This is our vehicle, and the row number was 34. So yeah, now we know where we are. Off to Epcot. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome back.
We're at
Epcot Park. Discovery 19. Discover 19. Sorry. That's right. Love Spaceship Earth.
And we are going to use the pass holder entrance. Yay! Yay!
Beautiful colors! Beautiful colors! Beautiful, go for that. Woo.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you, ma'am.
You too.
Hey folks, Epcot. Woohoo! Ah, yes, Epcot. For the 4th food and wine adventure of adventures with the Walsh family. That should be enough for a couple sets of coasters. Yeah, that's what we're here for. Wooden coasters for free. Only cost 4 trips to Epcot during food and wine. Yeah.
I'll be sure to put the dates in right now when you could get those coasters.
Yeah.
And I'll also link to the Disney website. So
Yeah, and they've got like 2.
pass holder information.
There's 2 pass holder magnets too, isn't there? Like
Yeah.
different dates?
Yeah, so you're able to get the first set, but we will not be here to get the second set.
Bummer.
A bummer, right?
C'est la vie.
So yeah, that's it.
So yeah, renovations. No Club Cool today. Glad we got to do that once before it closed. We'll maybe have a quick look to see if they got any of the, oh wow, construction walls are up.
So we're doing me a huge favor. When this opens up again, get me a Epcot one. Because I collect them. And for some reason I didn't get it because I thought I had more time.
Yeah, we were just waiting until the end. So they didn't break it.
So I ended up messing it up. So don't wait. Don't make the same mistake as me.
Get things when they're available because everything is limited supply. So yeah, as you can see, Starbucks closed. Club Cool, which you can't see, closed. New construction walls up. You can still see the fountain, but you kind of gotta tuck around the side here. And that glorious view we had is dry. Oh my word. So we're gonna go get in line for our coasters. Yeah, so it's October 29th for the first one, or August 29th to the 14th, and the 15th to the 23rd for the second pass holder magnet. This lineup is nice though. Coasters.
You're gonna go to the left side over there.
Thank you.
Here's the fountain. The fountain is gone.
Yeah, this is sad.
That is so sad.
So sad. Oh, poor fountain. So that's it for the Epcot fountain. See you later, buddy. Well, and of course, Club Cool used to be over here. The signs are taken down now and gone.
I'm excited for the future, but it's sad to see it all go.
Yeah, and you also got to note, I mean, even though Starbucks is gone, they didn't open another one.
Not yet. There's going to be one open in late fall. They said a temporary location,
Yeah,
but dang, it's not here right now.
that's a pretty big deal.
That is big. It's a big deal for me.
It's like one of the things we did the most, right, with Starbucks. But anyway, we got our coasters. We'll show you next.
Right now, we have a fast pass for Figment.
Yeah. Fast pass for Figment. And no matter whatever else you might say about Epcot, it's pretty. All right, let's park a stroller. It is hot. So it is interesting. This is where the DVC lounge is, up here in the pyramids, from what we're told. But there's like no visible sign that there's anything in here. I guess you kind of gotta know. We've never seen this part of the Fast Pass line. Where's Dr. Channing? Is he busy? Thank you.
Excited for Figment? Just went right there.
Arms, feet, and legs inside your tour track. Keep a watchful eye on your children.
Off we go, little birdie.
On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Your ears are hearing 1,000 thoughts. Can't start appearing, and each of us imagines different things.
Trigger the imagination.
Chocolate, vanilla, cinnamon,
Come into play.
coffee, and cookies. Skunk.
That's how you
There.
tell a skunk is not a rose.
A skunk is not a rose at all.
Imagination really clowns around. Makes downside up and upside down.
Oh, Figment. So as you're leaving Figment, or if you're coming through the gift shop, this is where you'll find the DVC member lounge right here. So basically, as soon as you come out, right back in. Yeah. So up we go, DVC. Sounds busy up here. Top of Epcot, really, up in that big glass pyramid. This place is pretty cool. You can see around. These Coke freestyle machines over here are wonderful. Those are free to use. There's no washroom up here, though. You'll have to bear that in mind. And when we came in, we were offered snacks. We had some chips and some Oreos. Love it already. It is busy, though.
Yes, it
Very
is
busy.
busy. And these machines are very busy because people are taking advantage.
It's really hot out right
Yeah,
now,
it
right?
is.
So-
Yeah, it's that time of day.
Got some more water? But there's computers,
Yeah, there's people playing games over there.
TV, and like lounge area over here. Looks like PS4 and an Xbox, but the Xbox isn't working. So lots of things to do. Hang out. It's nice and cool in here. And the view, Heather can show you. You can see the Epcot ball, Spaceship Earth, all the way through the glass window, which is really kind of cool. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out here for a few minutes before we head back down to the heat and leave Disney. There you go. Hi, beautiful girl. Swanker.
That was fun.
That was cool.
I like being able to get a ton of free drinks and trying out different kinds of Fanta and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's like Club Cool, but like pro.
Better.
Uh-oh! Hey! Watch! It's coming! It's coming! Whoa! Oh! Here we go! Whee! Here. Ah! Hey, gotcha. What'd you think?
I loved it.
Yeah, DVC.
So we were just up in there.
Up where?
Up in there. In the
Bam, that is the DVC. I've never known what was in there.
No,
I always thought it was like a stadium or a show or some kind of something. But no.
What's up there?
Oh, and monorail. Time to go.
Yeah.
Time to go.
Time to go. Bye, Epcot.
Nice to meet you. And goodbye. Sad.
Last day.
Last Disney park.
Last Disney park. We'll be back tomorrow.
Project tomorrow.
Going to Universal.
So yeah, something good to look forward to.
Yeah.
But we'll miss you, Spaceship Earth.
Yeah. Next trip, we will come to see you again.
Very sad. Bye, Epcot.
Bye, Epcot.
So folks, that's it. For now, that's it for Disney. That wonderful Spaceship Earth back there. The last park. We still have Animal Kingdom Lodge, as you know. Sanaa for supper. Before we spend our last night at Disney All-Star Sports and then move over to Hard Rock Hotel. So 5 days at Hard Rock, 5 days at Universal. We're UOAP, we're annual pass holders at Universal as well. It's our first love. Disney's kind of growing on us, as you can tell, as it does. I loved it as a kid. I didn't realize how much I'd like it as an adult. But the YouTube community, Insta, every one of you, it's impossible to name you all. Thanks for following along, at least the Disney part of the portion, even if you don't have any interest in the Universal part of the trip. We hope you do, because we hope you like us and following along and having fun. We certainly are. So with that, we're going to turn you around, we're going to turn it off, we're going to head back, get cleaned up, and head to Animal Kingdom Lodge. We'll see you there.
So we are currently in Kidani Village and we are about to go to dinner to Sanaa. It is absolutely gorgeous here. There are giraffes. Hold on, let me like bump this down to where we actually are. It's a bit more like this kind of dusky right now. So there's giraffes out there. It is stunning. Got some wildebeest out eating.
on the dining plan, I was able to get the butter chicken and the braised beef, along with some rice.
Sorry.
And veggie. Madeline got the kids' cheeseburger, mac and cheese, and rice. Finally digging in. And Heather has a wonderful looking plate of steak.
I can't wait to eat this.
Yeah, how's the wine? Good?
Good.
And the
But
bread
it's gonna be
service?
the bread service is fantastic.
It is, right?
Really good.
Yeah, it's
like
it's everything we heard of.
everything.
Yeah.
And I'm happy she's eating it.
Is it good? Yeah, my girl, loving it.
Okay, normally I hate curry. This curry on my potatoes and it's actually really good.
Yeah.
Maybe I just needed good curry.
Yeah, true enough. And again, I can't say how awesome mine is. This stuff is amazing. That butter chicken, boom. Braised beef, boom. Rice, boom. This potato masala, something like that. Azalu, something. Awesome. I don't even know what I'm eating, but I love it all. I think it'd be fair to say this was amazing. I put a hurt on all of that, including the rice bowl. The bread took a beating. We still got dessert. Heather's working away. Madeline's an absolute mess. Well, another sad vlog. Aw, Heather's gone. Madeline's gone. My food's gone. I'm gonna pay the bill, and then we're out.